Hello everyone, today we're going to do the Redmi 8A waterproof evaluation. Redmi 8A is a very low-priced mobile phone. It has three colors of black, dark blue, and coral orange. The color of the latter two is very bright and beautiful. It's suitable for young people to use as a backup machine. Today, our main character is the Black Knight color, equipped with a large battery of 5,000 mAh plus Type-C charging interface and 18-watt fast charge. After tearing open the cell phone film, the Redmi 8A has a 6.22-inch drop screen on the front, HD Plus resolution, and the design on the back is also very good. If you look at the appearance, the price is perfect. After turning on the mobile phone, we found that the brightness of the mobile phone is very low, but this price is a little far-fetched when the screen is refined. The 270 ppi can only be said to be barely enough. The sunscreen, the luminous screen, and the eye protection mode are basically supported. Before the test starts, let's clean the screen and let us look forward to the waterproof performance of this phone. When we started the first test, we didn't think that the test would end so fast. Yes, after the first test, the phone was flooded and could not be turned on. Let's look at its internal water intake. After turning on the phone, there are many obvious drops of water. Please keep the phone away from any water source in your life. The Redmi 8A has a waterproof rating of 1 to 2.